Bedford CF, and yes, it's a tipper Ted, hydraulic, but it's done by cable. Whole lot of junk bits on the back, and currently putting the V8 into it compared to the slant 4. Nice and tidy. Over here, brand new old stock front cowling. Mr. Clayton, make him famous.
Famous.
What are you doing there, Mr. Clayton?
Flange.
Oh, the flange. We've got a bit of a leak, have we?
We're going on.
Some engine mounts. Yeah, you don't need that, it's only a speedo cable.
Handy, handy.
Yeah, sometimes. Oh, your brake line's been cut.
Hoses.
Oh, the hoses.
Because they're all pierced, so I just thought do it the easy, quick way and removed it.
Aha.
Right, that's bloody good, isn't it?
So what's up with flange? You need a new gasket or?
No.
No?
Needs to be seated correctly.
Seated correctly. Bit of
a bit hot still.
Yeah, a bit of a wire brush on it, you reckon?
Just got to pull up. It's fucking hot. It's hot. Hotter.
So that's where the front's been cut off. Just have to unspot all that and throw that new cowling on the front. Nice and tidy. I'll show you the inside. It's unfinished. Work in progress, as it usually is. Here's the engine. A little shifter down there. All goes, all wired up with a bit of Kiwi ingenuity. I like hood lining. It's alright for a cowboy. Dog's going nuts.
Sounds good though.